Hello, it is me. And yeah, I've been sitting down lately, doing stuff, eat my pair of chips. I might just take one here. Warning, you cannot see a Bionicle eating a chip. It may find viewers offensive. Okay. No. That was nice. Halloween special. Halloween special. It'll be at the weekend. Well, next weekend. Don't miss it. You will love it. And in my Halloween special, I'll have new mocks I've never reviewed before. But then after that, I'll review them. Goodbye and good night. Oh, and if you have an Xbox, my Xbox Live name is Dead Space Staved. Send me a friend request, all stuff like that. Goodbye. And good